नॅशनल सेंटर फॉर सस्टेनेबल कोस्टल मॅनेजमेंटाच्या अहवालाप्रमाण कासव संवर्धन सुवातो रेवेचे दोंगर आणि खारपुटी आशिल्ल्या संवेदनशील जाग्यांचेर पर्यटनाक बंदी घालतले अशें केलें जाल्यारूच दर्यावेळांचें लुकसाण टाळप शक्य जातलें. दर्यावेळांचेर कितले शेक आनी मुळाव्यो सुविधा आसपाक जाय हें थारावपा खातीर कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी अभ्यास, ऑलिव्ह रिडले कासवांच्यो तांतयां घालपाच्यो सुवातो, कोरल रिप्स वा दुर्मिळ वनस्पत आशिल्ल्या सुवातांचेर नो गो क्षेत्र घोशीत करपाची शिफारस, हाय टायड लायनी पासून 200 मिटराचेर शेक वा कॉटेजी घालपाचेर निर्बंध, परवानो दिवपा विशीं CZMP निर्णय घेतले. रेवेची धूप जावपी दर्यावेळो तशेंच नुस्तेकार राबितो करून आशिल्ल्या गांवांतूय कांय गजालींचेर मर्यादा. दर्यावेळांची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी फकत पर्यटनाचेर नासून ती पर्यावरण संरक्षण, सिवरेज व्यवस्थापन आनी दर्यावेळांच्या संरक्षणा कडेनूय संबंदीत आसतली.
When we say coastal tourism issues, so what are the major issues you have seen in Goa? Because NIO is working actively in Goa and we have seen many reports are coming out from NIO. So what are the major issues that NIO have noticed about the coastal tourism in Goa?
So see the within extreme rainfall within few days, so much rain comes like that. In short span of time, lot of tourists accumulate, and so that's why I thank the government of Goa for awarding a project to CSR NIO on the beach carrying capacity. So we have initiated the work. So CSR NIO is coming out with a detailed project report. Each beach of Goa, what is the carrying capacity of each beach by considering some more than 60 parameters. Very soon we are going to have a stakeholder meeting with all the government departments. With their inputs, we will be refining it, and it will give a guidelines or pathway for the Goa government how to tackle the coastal tourism. Basically, that is one of the main lifeline of Goa's economy, and we as a scientist or as an institute, CSA NIO, want to support it, to support Goa government in a scientific way. So we are attempting it, and very soon we'll come out with a proper guidelines on the beach carrying capacity.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.